Hello, this is Bruce, packaging specialist in China, with our company specializing in producing kinds of standard pouches and raw fruits in Qingdao, China. In this episode, we're going to talk about the tomato ketchup package. And as the most common in the market, the tomato ketchup are usually packed in small sachets, and these standing spout doypacks. The spout and closure system enable the easy use for the tomato ketchup the product and resealer performance that would keep the product in the long-term use. And for our company, we are producing lots of spout pouches for the tomato ketchup customers listed here, and for many brands. And in this episode, we are going to focus on the spout doypacks, which is one of our most competitive items. For the tomato ketchup, the most important thing is the barrier performance, which is essential to keep the products at an expected shelf life. For this tomato ketchup, usually the shelf life is 1 year, 12 months, usually with good pasteurization and also good barrier package. Usually aluminum foil is applied in this foil structure, and aluminum foil is considered as the best barrier performance in all the film materials. And this doy packing produced for Hans company with foil structure PT, aluminum foil, nylon, and LDPE foil structure, 4 layers structure. The second point is good strength, mechanical strength. As for the doy pack in filling process and transportation, this package would have to be strong enough to prevent the package be linkage or broken in the handling process. Usually we perform the drop test, to test if this package is strong enough.
其实比较高了。
Okay.
First time. Second time. Third time.
The third point is high temperature resistance, as the tomato ketchup may be pasteurized after filled into the package, and this package may be retorted at 100 degree or even 121 or 25 degree for tens of minutes. Our materials would be okay for this retort treatment, and here we're going to share the test for the retort of our retort treatment for our spout doypacks. The third point is, the fourth point is good standing effect, as all these package will have to stand on the shelf to seal, and a good standing effect would be very helpful for your product to seal. And here are the items, and also these items, of course this is not filled, this package is not filled, produced for Tet, a very famous brand in China market. This is also produced for Laopangja. Okay, any questions regarding the tomato ketchup package, you may reach us for further assistance. Thanks.